I'm here today with Strategic's training group, getting people to get out there and get their licence in the trucking industry or the forklift industry. So just getting, especially younger kids and people who are unemployed, an opportunity to get qualified to be able to put themselves out in the work field. And Strategic's is a fantastic company which allows that to happen and help a lot of young kids to get into this industry. I think the average age is 54 for a truck driver, and there's a great opportunity for a lot of young guys that are willing to give it a crack and that make a real good job of it to have a very successful and prosperous career in it. Yes, Strategic's has put me through my truck licence. I'm nearly fully qualified. I've been fitting it in with football training, and hopefully in the next week or so I'll be fully qualified and I'll be in the big trucks. And here's some highlights of day 3 at the Brisbane Truck Show.
Thanks guys, thanks for coming out today and having a bit of a listen.